Now to our third question. We have 5d minus 2e squared minus 9e squared. So this is already a square, but this is not yet a what? A perfect square. So we have what? 5d minus 2e squared minus 9 itself is what? 3 squared.
Yes, sir.
E squared. 3 squared will give us what? 9, which is 3 times 3. So this becomes what? 5d minus 2e square minus both of them, both 3 and e are square. So I'm going to have a common square for both of them, 3e square. So applying my difference of 2 square now, all this now is my a. This is my a, and this is what? Is my b. So if I'm applying that, a square minus b square, remember, give us what? A plus b, a minus b. So what's my a there? My a in this case is what? 5d minus 2e plus b. My b is what? 3e plus 3e. Open another bracket. I have what? 5d minus 2e minus what? 3e. So I'm done with that. So I'll continue. Let me expand this. I have what? 5d minus 2e plus 3e. This becomes what? 5d minus 2e minus 3e. So 5d minus 2e plus 3e. I have what? Plus e or 1e. 5d minus 2e minus 3e. That gives what? Minus 5e. If you wish, you can take your 5 outside. So because 5 is common here, this becomes what? 5d plus e. 5, open bracket what? D minus e. You can take your 5 to this place. That's 5, open bracket what? 5d plus e. D minus e. So this is our final answer. Now the next question we are going to solve, this, which is the fourth question. The question says 147x squared minus 3y squared. As you can see, 3 can go in both of them. 3 in 147 is what? 49. So I have 49x squared. Let me write my 3 properly. Minus what? 3 in 3y squared, that's what? Y squared. So we are not done. 49 itself is a perfect square. That's what? 7 raised to power 2. That's 7 times 7, which should give us what? 49. I'm going to replace 49 with what? 7 square. X square. Minus what? Y square. So 3, I have to make this, because the square is common to both 7 and x. I have what? 7x raised to power 2 minus y square. So this is now my difference of 2 square. Now 3, open bracket, this becomes what? 7x plus what? Y. 7x minus y. Using the difference of 2 square. This is my a square minus what? B square. So this is our final answer. Now to the last one, which is e. We have 4x plus 1 raised to power 2 minus 3x minus 1 raised to power what? 2. So apply the difference of 2 square now. My a is this now. This is my a. 4x plus 1 is my a. Minus my b is what? My b is this. 3x minus 1 is my b. You know, if you have a square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. So in this case, I'm going to have a big bracket first. My a is what? 4x plus 1. So I have 4x plus 1 plus, what's my b? 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. I close that bracket. The next bracket, my a is what? 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 minus, my b is what? 3x minus 1. Now let's expand. Here I have what? 4x plus 1 plus 3x minus 1. So here I have what? 4x plus 1 minus times 3x minus 3x minus times minus 1 plus 1. So what do I have here? I have 4x plus 3x. That's what? 7x. 1 comes what? Minus 1. So I have 7x here. In this case, what do I have? 4x minus 3x. That gives me what? X plus 1 plus 1. That gives me what? 2 plus 2. So this is the final answer now. 7